Welcome everybody to Eastc College, to my workshop, spray painting and panel beating workshop. Welcome. You come here for 3 weeks, you learn how to spray, end up being a professional spray painter like these guys who are busy right now doing the preparation right now. They're going to be busy preparing for primer. So when you come here, you'll have your 3-week certificate, how to design and how you can make design for spray painting like Fast and Furious movies. What are you waiting for? You need to come here to Eastc and get the experience of here for spray painting and panel beating. Thank you.